Hi everyone, and welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. So I am working on a fabulous tablescape, and I went out to the Dollar Tree and I could not find a color that I need as far as my floral arrangements. So I found these basic white roses, and I figured I'm going to change them from white. I want to do something like a silver color. It is raining right now, too hot to go in the garage, and I don't feel like running out to the store to buy any silver spray paint. So all I'm going to do is take this white rose. I have some metallic silver paint, and I am just going to go into the crevice of the rose and just add some silver paint to it. You can cover it all, or you can just do, leave some of the white, maybe go over it a little bit like so, and go down in here a little bit, because these Dollar Tree flowers, they are nice, and reasonable than the big box store flowers, and something if you're in a rush, or budget friendly, to do a nice bouquet of flowers or floral arrangement. But you have to work with these flowers. You can't just take the tag off and just plop them down inside a vase. You have to pull them out, rearrange them, etc. And to find white flowers, roses right now, where I'm at, I don't know, somebody just buys up all the white roses. So I was able to come across this one today. And then that's all I'm doing. I'm just making it look like that's how it bloomed. And I am opening it up and getting that paintbrush down in there. Now I am leaving, some of the white on here. Alright, so I have that, and then I'm going to take it off the stem, and I'm going to lay it down. Now this one I'm going to let dry, so I'm going to place that one over here. And then next I am going to take the one that I've already did. This one I didn't do a lot, left the middle and just did the outer edges. And I have my silver glitter. So I'm just gonna take this, and I'm using clear glue. If you have Mod Podge, you can use that, and I'm gonna make sure, and that's gonna turn orange. That's not what we want. I did not clean that brush. Alright, so I'm just gonna use the gray brush that I painted. And I'm just gonna add some glue, different places. And I'm going to take the glitter and hopefully wherever you put that glue at, it should catch. And I don't want a lot, Okay, that took me a couple, about a half an hour. But this is what it's looking like. These are the silver, that's the silver. Another silver. And then I mixed it up and I added some blues to it. This one needs to get opened up a little bit more. Like I said, you want to play around with these Dollar Tree flowers. Try to make them realistic. Okay, and then I have another blue. Did a darker blue. You see how that's curved under? So I'm going to open the flap, bend it back, and I'm going to have glitter all over now. And just add a touch of glue, and then I'm going to glue it together and bend it in. That way that bend in the back is no longer there. Okay. And then these two, I'm just going to spread them open a little bit. And I'm going to add some glue right here. Close it and then bend it in. And that's going to fix those bends. You can leave it, you know, as it is. So that's all. That is all to it. DIYs, redoing your flowers. You're changing them up versus using, you know, that toxic spray paint. This is what I prefer. Being that it's hot outside, I really do not want to be out. And I had, you know, my paint already here in the colors that I wanted to use. So I did, only money that I spent was $1 for these flowers. And that's it. Very easy and simple project. Glam up your florals from the Dollar Tree. So I hope that you like this type of project. Please make sure to subscribe if you're just stopping by. Thank you to all the new subscribers. I really, really appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. Don't forget to drop in and say hello sometimes. You know, leave me a lovely comment. Let me know that you're new to the channel. That way I can come over and join your fabulous family as well. So, as y'all know, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another fall decor DIY. Bye-bye.